Dubai, a city of skyscrapers, luxury, and global business, is now a city echoing with explosion. Dramatic claims are circulating that an Iranian-made drone struck a site in Dubai believed to be connected to the US military personnel. While the weapon reportedly involved is Shaheed 136, a drone often described as kamikaze drone because it crashes directly into a target carrying explosive. Welcome to TimesXP, it's me, it's Pratyatri, and let's slow down and separate shock from verified fact. Dubai, part of the United Arab Emirates, is not officially known to host a large American combat base inside the city itself. The primary US military presence in the UAE operates out in Al Dhafra Air Base located in Abu Dhabi. That base has long supported the US Air Force operations, intelligence missions, and regional security coordination. So when reports claim that a drone hit a US airbase in Dubai, it immediately raises questions, right? Was the target a military facility, a residential compound, or logistics building, or is the information still developing and unverified? Well, the Shaheed 136 drone is not really new to modern warfare. It has been used in multiple regional conflicts and is known for flying low and slow to avoid the radar detection. It can travel long distances and is it is not really expensive as compared to the advanced cruise missiles. And that combination, ladies and gentlemen, makes it effective in large numbers. Military analysts often describe Iran's strategy as quantity over complexity. Launch more drones at once, overwhelm the defenses, and force the air defense system to stretch thin. Well, if such a drone truly struck a building housing the US personnel, then this would mark a major escalation. But here's the critical point. Claims that 160 plus US troops, they were inside, it remains unverified. There is no official casualty numbers that has been released. Governments typically verify such information before making public statements, specifically when foreign military personnel are involved here. In the meantime, the broader regional picture is equally important. After the reports killing Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, tensions surged dramatically. Iranian rhetoric intensified. Drones and missile launches towards the US-linked facilities in the Gulf, they were reported. Air defense systems across the UAE and neighboring states, they were placed on high alert. If we talk about the UAE, then it's very important hub for the world. Dubai in particular is a symbol of stability and global investment. Any confirmed strike inside the city would send shockwaves through energy market, aviation route, tourism flow, and diplomatic relation. Insurance premium would spike, airspace restriction would follow, and regional alliances would be tested. But this is where caution matters. In fast-moving conflicts, social media spreads dramatic visuals faster than official confirmation. A single explosion clip can be reposted thousands of times before investigators verify the location, the target, and even the date of the footage. So the real question is, was this a direct military strike with confirmed impact, or are we witnessing the fog of war where perception moves faster than proof?